Is this a sign from the universe to just give up?
आ गई. सो बेसिकली हियर वी हैव कोलाजन. सो मुझे शूट करना था एक कोलाजन का ऐड. ओके, तो वो ऐड जो है, मैं दिल्ली आ गई थी तो 1 महीने तक मैंने ऐसा कर रही थी. तो मैं भी कोलाजन पी रही हूँ, मेरा कज़न भी पी रही है, तो मैंने थोड़ा सा बचा के रखा था कि लाइक जब भी शूट करूँगी उसका पहले के लिए. लेकिन मैं भूल ही गई थी कि मेरे साथ मेरा कज़न भी है और वो खा के ख़त्म कर लिया. सो दैट शोज़ कोलाजन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, यू शुड हैव इट. बट थैंकफुली हेल्दी है को मैंने बोला था कि दोबारा भिजवा दो यार. मैंने तो कहीं पे मतलब ख़त्म ही कर लिया था, उन्होंने भेज भी दिया. आई एम गोना शूट विद दिस. ये करते हैं आज, ये मेरा काम है आज आज का. सो मैंने नहा लिया है एंड वो मैंने कपड़ा धोया था कल, तो वो सूख गई. वो वहाँ पे है, रूम पे नहीं लेके जा सकती क्योंकि थोड़ा सा गंदा है. आई मीन गंदा हो जाएगा. एंड ये मेरा सेटअप एज ऑलवेज. और फिर वहाँ पे मैं शूट करूँगी. एंड लेट्स गो.
You should count it in Japanese. Ichi, one, ni.
लेट्स स्टार्ट.
Rule number one, hairs always tight. Rule number two, no jewelry, no accessories, empty hand always. Let's start with the basics. Punching ka haath hamesha not like this, not like this, or not like this. It should be like this. Fist open, fist. Okay, right hand forward, left hand here. Lift your right leg up. Kibadachi, kiba. So you can count it like 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Like in 5 seconds, 5 seconds, कैसे count करोगे? You should count it in Japanese. Ichi, 1, ni, 2, san, 3, shi, 4, go, 5. Stand up. अभी आप Japanese भी सीखना हो गया. That's it for today. Love you guys. See you in another vlog. First lesson on punching. So कल हम लोगों ने सीखा था kibadachi. So kibadachi. If I'm gonna say kibadachi, 1, 2, up. Dachi, right? So this is called dachi stand. Left hand forward, right hand back. Now chudan chuki, that means stomach punch. Let me show you slowly. So this hand, the left hand, you take it slowly back, and the right hand goes forward like this. And this. So you have to repeat this 10 times. Ich, 1. Ni, 2. San, 3. Si, go. Ruk, such, ach, cool, ju. Punch it forcefully. It goes like. Great. Baavi khul gaya. That's it for today. See you in another vlog. Stop. Hello, day 3 of learning karate, and today we are gonna learn Jodan Chuki, that is the face punch. Because कल हम लोगों ने stomach वाला punch सीखा है. Today we are gonna learn face punch. That is called Jodan Zuki. Your both hands close, right hand, this means ready. And then we say re. We say os. That's like good morning, os, good evening, os. Kibadachi, 1, 2, up, this. Jodan Chugi. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, ruk, such, hach, kyu, ju, kyai. So basically after every 10 we say kyai. Yame means yame means stop. So that's it for today. See you in another reel.
Got this PR, and the PR that I got is a white hoodie, which I love. I love white hoodie or anything related to white. And it has this cute वाला जो हमेशा मैं करती रहती हूँ. I couldn't stop but share this PR with you all. And yes, the owner himself came over here and dropped this. So cute. So it's from Dunes Drip. Go check their page out. मैं यहाँ पे mention कर देती हूँ. It's really a good morning today. Should I wear it? Should I show it to you? Wearing it, wait. Hoodie girls. I love anything which is white, man. आउटफिट चेंज हो गया है, बनाते हैं व्लॉग कराते का. लेट्स गो.
I was just doing the vlog, but then baby also came, so now it's like, okay, I'll have to wait for a while, but I think it's gonna be worth it. Then that's how. I don't know why I do something and things just has to turn out which doesn't work well for me. Is this a sign from the universe to just give up daily vlog or what? अभी नहाया है, but it's like I'll have to tie my hair. Jew. Hello, day 4 of learning karate with me. Today we are gonna learn Rinzuki because we have done the face punch, that is Jodanzugi, and stomach punch, that is Chudanzugi, right? So a mixture of both is called Rinzuki. So Rinzuki would be 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. Did you get me? So let's start. Kibadachi, 2. मैं तो गिरने ही वाली थी. Rinzuki, ich, 1. Me, sun, she, go, ruk, sachi, achi, kyu, ju, yoi, re. That's it for today. See you in another vlog.
So that's it. Or if you want me to start a series on YouTube as well, कि जो Instagram में मैं जो कर रही हूँ अभी, तो वो मैं daily vlogs में कर सकती हूँ. It would be more interesting. I can go more in details as well. So comment down if you want me to. And अगर एक भी comment आया या फिर if you want me to or like something else that you want, वो भी आप drop कर सकते हो. I'll try to do it. Okay.